Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find your trust wallet phrase. It's vital to understand that your recovery phrase, sometimes called a seed phrase, is the master key to your digital assets. Without it, you cannot access your cryptocurrency if you lose your device or delete the app. Trust Wallet itself never stores this phrase, so its security is entirely in your hands. Let's dive into how to manage it properly. When you first set up your Trust Wallet, you were given a unique 12-word recovery phrase. This sequence of words is generated only once, and it's crucial that you wrote it down immediately and accurately. The best practice is to store this phrase offline, perhaps on paper or etched into metal, and keep it in a secure, private location. Never take a screenshot or store it digitally. Unfortunately, if you have lost your recovery phrase and did not back it up, Trust Wallet cannot help you recover it. There is no forgot password option for a crypto wallet seed phrase. This means your funds are likely permanently inaccessible. If you still have access to your wallet on a device, your best course of action is to immediately transfer all your assets to a new, securely backed up wallet. Protecting your recovery phrase is paramount. Never, under any circumstances, share your 12-word phrase with anyone, even if they claim to be from Trust Wallet support. Scammers often try to trick users into revealing this information. For ultimate security, consider storing your phrase in a fireproof safe or using a specialized metal seed phrase plate. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.